Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name is Kevin. We're doing another video on the little things that make a difference. What we're going to talk about are handlebar riser extensions. And we have some handlebar riser extensions on here behind this little checkered thing, and it just puts the handlebars up higher. Why put the handlebars up higher? Two things that come to mind on why handlebars going up higher is something that's desirable. One is some people just like to have taller bars because of the looks. The reason that I use handlebar risers and the reason we developed the handlebar risers is because of the comfort triangle. Let's go over to this bike over here real quick so it's easier to demonstrate what I mean. The comfort triangle, which we will put a link to right up here, we have a video on the comfort triangle, is all about foot placement, butt placement, and hand placement. So on any bike, to get the most comfortable position, you want to have your feet in a comfortable position, you want to have your butt in a comfortable position, and you want to have your hands in a comfortable position so you don't end up with that pain right between your shoulders. So once you have your seat and feet where you want, the next thing is the handlebars. And the way that you find out where your handlebars should be is you close your eyes and you put your hands up where they're comfortable. And of course, this bike has non-factory handlebars. The factory handlebars are somewhere down here. I've ridden with it down here. My shoulder is hurting right now just in this 30 seconds that I'm holding my arms here. So when you use the comfort triangle to find out where your grip should be, where it's comfortable for you, a lot of times that you can end up using your factory bars, not on a bagger because the bagger has the fairing, but you can use the factory bars, like on this bike has the factory bars with handlebar risers, and then this bike over here has the mini apes, which are factory bars on some Sportsters, which got the grips closer to where I needed them to be comfortable, but it didn't go all the way. So I have, I believe, 3-inch or 2.5-inch riser extensions just to get it up and back a little, because remember, your handlebars are mounted at an angle, so when you go up, you're also going back. So when I sit on this bike, which I can't do right now because I don't have a seat on it, but when I sit on this bike and I put my hands up, these grips are exactly in the comfortable position for my situation. So a lot of people use handlebar riser extensions because they use it to get the handlebar grips where it's most comfortable for them. And of course, some guys use it just because they want the handlebars up higher because it's cool looking. So handlebar riser extensions, low cost item, easy to install, and it's another little thing that makes a big difference. If you all like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, helps us out. Hit that notification bell if you want to know when we come out with our next video. Share the video with your friends. They might find it useful. You all ride safe out there.